Representing the BJP tonight is Siddharth Nath Singh, and representing the Aam Aadmi Party is Ashutosh, who's just joined in on the debate just a few seconds back. Okay, start with the BJP. It's 1 versus 1. We'll take one break in between, then we go right up to 11 o'clock. Siddharth Nath Singh, have you played into the Aam Aadmi Party's hands by going to court with this defamation case? Because this is what they would have wanted. You brought the case back to the spotlight. You've given them enough oxygen to keep the issue alive politically and legally. You have allowed the Aam Aadmi Party to claim that you are trying to intimidate them. You have allowed them to allege that the defamation case is a panic reaction to allegations of corruption. And you have allowed them to spin the narrative that you are deflecting from answering the questions that they have posed to you. So politically speaking, to start with first, and then we'll go into the substantive part of the allegations, the issues of principle, etc., which come forth. But Siddharth Nath Singh, have you played into Ashutosh's hands? Politically?
I think on the contrary, this is a case where the Aam Aadmi Party is going to bite the bullet second time. The first case was again when Mr. Gadkari had filed a defamation suit against Arvind Kejriwal, and then he had to withdraw and apologize. Now in this case, we had enough of this spit and run politics of Aam Aadmi Party. This time, the BJP has decided, Mr. Arun Jaitley has decided, we'll go all out, and they will, even despite any apologies, we are going to take them and put them behind bar, because this kind of politics in India cannot continue further. So I think we have taken them on head on. They are rattled, and the abusive language of Aam Aadmi Party has gone 100% more, and they seem to be absolutely out of control, and the vocabulary they shows that they are a rattle party and their leaders are absolutely rattled. So we are happy the way Mr. Arun Jaitley has taken on Aam Aadmi Party.
Okay, so here's one point. Now we'll let Ashutosh respond. But before Ashutosh responds, I want to tell Ashutosh that
before I respond to you,
you must also be in the business of Ashutosh, listen here, listen now. Answer some questions occasionally. It would be very nice. You can go on a tangent whichever way, but if you don't answer any questions repeatedly on questions put to you, it won't look very good. Now, my first point was political, on whether the BJP played into your hands. He in turn accused you of spit and run politics. Ashutosh, it's your turn to respond to Siddharth. Go ahead.
Arnab Goswami, before I come to this particular issue, I want Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh to apologize, lying before a TV channel, entire the national audience, because he has just said that in Gadkari case, Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal has withdrawn and apologized. It's a lie. Case is still in the court, and Siddharth Nath Singh has to apologize for lying to the nation. Why he is spreading a lie? Why did he say that? If he did not have the information, he can say I didn't have
for a defamation against me now.
No, Siddharth, are you? Siddharth, are you sure?
I have full information. Let me give you the information. I will give you the information if you have the guts to listen.
You are lying.
Because you all have been lying. You are an abuse and accused party. That's what the Aam Aadmi Party stands. Abuse and accused party. That's all you can do.
Matter is still in the court.
I'll tell you how it is. I'll tell you with the fact.
Still in the court.
Now hear me out, Mr. Ashto. 30th January 2014, you used defamatory statement against Mr. Gadkari. Mr. Gadkari takes you to a trial court. In a trial court, the prosecution starts of Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal says, I will not take a bond. You appeal to the High Court. The High Court gives you a chance and you withdraw your case. That is where you stand, Mr. Ashutosh. This is the lie that you speak and how you mislead. And then you withdrew your case. It's a matter of fact, so don't teach me. And don't tell me I lie. I am not in a habit of lying to anybody.
Okay.
I don't come from that background, and my upbringing is very good.
I'm lying, defamation, I'll take you to court and you take me to another. You are a bad person, I am bad. We are all going to be sitting on broomsticks. Can we please?
We have never withdrawn and we have never apologized. These are matter of fact, very
Let him answer your question. Let him answer your question. Mr. Ashutosh doesn't want to answer a question. He loves to duck questions.
Tomorrow.
And that's the art he learned when he was an editor.
Send your reporter tomorrow and verify the facts. Send your reporter.
Ashutosh, I challenged you on one channel a week back. You ran away from that debate. I said I will prove you that on Rajendra Kumar, your government knew everything. And the MHA had promised, and MHA was giving you proof. I said to you on a channel, a date was fixed next day. You ran away from that channel and you send your junior, Mr. Bhardwaj, to debate with me. Because you were scared. You cannot face the truth. This is the reality of Ashutosh.
You are
this
lying.
Is the reality. Why did you run away? And I'm willing to challenge you tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Okay, Ashutosh, come back to the point, please. Siddharth and Ashutosh, pull back both of you and let me conduct the debate in a way that I want to. Otherwise, both of you will be at cross purposes. We will go up to 11 o'clock and the substantive issues will not be discussed. I'm asking you, Ashutosh, and I'm offering you today. Okay, fine. On that point, you call Siddharth and sort it out with him later. If he doesn't satisfy you, take him to court, do what you want. Let me move on with the debate. Now my point is this, please. Okay, you sort that part out with him personally, one-to-one. Ashutosh, now let me move to the issue at hand, which is DDCA, Arun Jaitley, Rajendra Gupta, the issues at hand between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. We need to go to that subject, please. Now on that subject, I want to ask you, Ashutosh, if I were to give you three options, and the three options are legal, ethical or historical, and I'm asking you, Ashutosh, I never give this option to anyone. Since I know you for a long time, I will offer you a choice of three kinds of questions on the program. Ashutosh, which one do you choose?
No. Okay,
you made the point. No, don't keep repeating yourself.
No. BJP guy to spread a lie.
Don't keep repeating yourself. What are you doing?
No. You can't
don't repeat. You made your point. No, that's between you and him.
Tomorrow.
Can I go to the issue?
Ashutosh, you people are in the business of spreading falsehood. Don't get me. You are the people who are in the business of spreading falsehood. Because you are the master. You take the Oscar and you start and run politics. Oscar is only for you guys.
I am losing time on the debate. I am losing time, gentlemen. I am losing time on the debate. Please, for the sake of the viewers of the news, for the sake of the viewers of the news, Siddharth and Ashutosh, pull back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please stop. Please stop. Ashutosh, please stop. Let's go to the issue. If you feel you have a strong point to make on the issue of Arun Jaitley, then let us go to the issue, please. We need to address the issue. And as far as what has transpired between you and Siddharth right now, as the past is concerned, I assure you I will send reporters to both of you. You can have each other's point of view carried. Now my point is this. Okay, Ashutosh. There is a historical argument, an ethical argument and a legal argument. I want to ask you, which argument would you like to pick? In the case of, would you like to pick up the principal argument, ethics argument, legal or historical? The other option is you can keep carrying on like this for the next 10 minutes. We'll lose time on the debate. The issue will not be discussed. Ashutosh, it's not good to do that. Let me settle this with you. Only Ashutosh and me on the screen, please. You've been a TV anchor in the past, Ashutosh. You realize that on debates we pick up certain subjects. If you want to digress from the entire subject at hand by only now carrying on that I will not let the debate happen unless he or she apologizes, that's not the way. Please stop. Please, let's go to the issue at hand. Please. Now the issue at hand is the Arun Jaitley issue. I want to give you three options. Listen to me, Ashutosh. I am giving you three options: legal, ethical, or historical. 1 minute. Which one do you pick? And I'll ask you a question accordingly. What do you mean? No. You have to debate the issue. Yeah, on the TV channel, you've come to debate a particular issue. You can't say I won't debate it. What kind of behavior is this?
You have to listen to me first.
Ashutosh, you have to answer the questions. I've told you.
You cannot let these fascist forces to spread a lie. It is verifiable fact. Siddharth Nath Singh is saying that we have withdrawn the case and apologized.
You a bunch of liars. Don't tell us anything. You are a bunch of liars.
This is a
you spread falsehood. You cheated the people of Delhi. You are the people who have a fictitious firm who have paid you 2 crores of rupees. You fought on corruption. You are protecting a corrupt officer. You are telling us a fascist.
Let this happen. You can't let this happen.
6 more minutes on the debate. 6 more minutes on the debate. My question to Ashutosh is this. Ashutosh, please stop.
Falsehood.
You can't.
There's no way to debate.
They want to take on
Ashutosh and Siddharth Nath Singh, I will carry your versions tomorrow. Will you please pull back? You think viewers are not reacting to this? 1 second, please, Ashutosh. Ashutosh, listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Let's go into the merits of the case. Merits of the case, okay? The legal argument. You have alleged that the alleged irregularities at DDC happened with Jaitley's knowledge. You have alleged that Jaitley was a participant in the alleged irregularities. You have alleged that Jaitley deliberately turned a blind eye to all the wrongdoings that took place. To sum it up, your allegations against Jaitley are direct. You have not asked questions over the allegations, but you have in fact made direct allegations against Jaitley, and that is the reason why today you are facing civil and criminal defamation case. Do you agree that the onus is on you today to prove your allegations are true? Is the onus on you to prove that your allegations are true, yes or no? Just tell me that. Is the onus on you or not to prove that your allegations are true? Simple question. Answer the question, Baba. Answer the question. Is the onus on you to prove your allegations are true?
Arnab Goswami, I know you are a seasoned journalist, so you know. If somebody has filed a defamation case, if the court will ask us to prove the case, we'll prove the case. We'll prove the case.
Yeah, so is the onus on you?
Let the court come back to us. Tomorrow we are going first. Of course, if the court asks us to prove, we'll prove that. Don't worry about that on that front. But you can't let a fascist force.
So you agree that the onus is on you to prove the charges, right? Don't go back on that later.
Okay, a falsehood party should not call anybody.
Ashutosh has admitted that the onus is on you.
Falsehood party should keep quiet. That is in your interest. Talk on the merits of the case and I will debate with you, Ashutosh. And trust me, I will actually split you apart on all your facts and all your alleged accusation. I will split thread by thread and nail you down in front of Arnab Goswami. Newsar.
Different paradise. You are dealing with a different.
Talk on merit of the case and I'll show you what falsehood you people spread.
We are not Congressi. Don't worry. Don't worry on that.
Okay.
Don't worry on that.
You are nothing. You are bunch of opportunists. Mr. Ashutosh, you are bunch of opportunists who have lived on a media hope to jump on opportunism, to come in the political sphere. And let me tell you, you people have been exposed.
Siddharth Nath Singh, don't try to intimidate me. Don't try to intimidate me. I have seen enough in my life.
Then come on the merits. Where is the merit of your case? What evidence you have been able to prove to any channel except you do spit and run. That's all you people can do. Where is the evidence?
No.
How many times you have to be ashamed? Because you don't have evidence. Give me one evidence today. Let's debate.
No, 1 second. Siddharth, Ashutosh.
Let's debate.
Ashutosh, the point that emerges is this. Siddharth, 1 minute. Siddharth, 1 minute. Ashutosh, since you have said that the onus is on you to prove that the allegations are true, in this time on the news hour tonight, let us be very reasonable.
Arnab Goswami, I never knew that you are so naive about the legalities.
And 1 second, you make one point. You can't keep saying I will prove that the allegations are true. On the news hour, on television right now, we are being watched by people. Why don't you present one piece of evidence or one fact to prove that the allegations are true? Please present it and have that glass of water, no problem. But please prove that the allegations are true. Once you've had the glass of water, 1 point to make the point that the allegations are true, and then Siddharth will respond. Go ahead. Prove to Siddharth Nath Singh tonight that the allegations are true. On live television, right now. He has said he will split you apart. Siddharth says I will split you apart. You prove to him that the allegations are true. Present one bit of evidence. Go ahead. Go ahead, Ashutosh. You have my full permission. Go ahead and prove that the allegations are true. You prove your point to Siddharth and then he will respond. Go on. Go on, don't pull back. Prove him wrong.
I like your dramatics.
You prove that the allegations are true.
I like your theatrics. I wish.
There's no dramatics. Did he not say I will split you apart? You prove that the allegations are true. You just admitted the onus is on me to prove the allegations are true. I am saying tell the people of India tonight, right here, right now, how the allegations are true. Prove it to him. Prove it to him.
I wish,
why are you backing off now?
I wish you had not been an anchor. You had been a High Court judge. I would have very well produced these things and would have.
I have no intentions of being a High Court judge or like you, a politician. Ashutosh, prove that the allegations are true.
I asked 5 questions to Arnab. I asked 5 questions.
Not 5 questions to Arnab. You prove the allegations are true. Ashutosh, come on. Time is running out. Prove that the allegations are true. Prove it to him. Siddharth says I will split you apart. Prove it to him that the allegations are true. Do it right here, right now. Do not waste time. Do not prevaricate. Don't look left and right. Don't drink a glass of water. Come on, Ashutosh. Prove that the allegations are true. You are not being said. You are completely on air right now. You prove the allegations are true and the whole country will hear you. Prove it now. Come on, Ashutosh.
Come on.
Prove it now.
Don't worry
prove
about
it. Why aren't you? Why no now?
Let me
prove
come
the
on.
allegations are true.
Let me rattle
Prove it.
them
I'm not
further.
worried, but you prove the allegations are true.
Arnab, let me rattle them further.
No, you prove now, right now, on television you do.
Don't worry.
No, what do you mean? Don't worry, man. You prove the allegations are true right here, right now on the channel. Come on, Ashutosh. Prove it now.
We'll prove the court of law.
What prove? You're not prepared.
Prove the court of law.
You're not prepared to prove it. It's not looking good, Ashutosh. I'm giving you an opportunity to prove it and you're saying no.
Tomorrow 10 a.m. we are going to the High Court. Don't worry about this. I know you
10 a.m. you'll prove all the evidence in the court.
Ashutosh in his press conference refers to 3 different investigations. Now let me tell you one of the investigations which is a 3-member. Who are these 3 members? Who are these 3 members? One is the principal secretary. Other is a secretary sports. The third one is a senior standing counsel of Delhi government called Rahul Mehra. Do we all not know who's Rahul Mehra? So these are the 3 people. They prepare a 3-member report. And they, on basis of that, Ashutosh does a press conference. What almighty and all high moral pedestal he wants to sit. He has no basis.
Don't forget Kirti Azad.
This is the level of falsehood when they come in a press conference. And when I'm asking him, come on, prove that we are wrong.
Why are you losing your breath?
Come with the facts.
Come on, Ashutosh.
Why are you losing your breath? Don't be so tense.
And I will surrender to you.
Siddharth, don't be so tense. Siddharth,
I
know you're nice.
My dear friend, Ashutosh, you will be very tense and you will regret why you left journalism and joined politics.
I can see you. I can read your face.
And let me tell you, politics is not on falsehood.
You're so tensed up.
Politics also means reality.
I know you come from RSS. I know you belong to the RSS. Whose expertise is to
no, you don't know anything. You will know only when the court will take you inside.
Ashutosh and Siddharth, here's something that I want to say. Ashutosh and Siddharth, I will bring both of you back on the merits of the case.
Arnab.
And I'll have this debate again. Ashutosh and Siddharth.
Give me 30 seconds.
I thank you both very much. I'm over time. I'll get both of you back.
Arnab, give me 30 seconds.
Go make your point. But go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
अर्नब मैं थोड़ी हिंदी में बोल देता हूं. वो जिस तरीके से सिद्धार्थनाथ सिंह ने मुझे धमकी दी है, मैं डर के मारे कांप रहा हूं बुरी तरीके से. अब मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा रात में मुझे नींद आएगी कि नहीं नींद आएगी. सिद्धार्थनाथ जी आपने बहुत डरा दिया मुझे. हम लोग बहुत डर गए.
आपकी फितरत में ही कांपना है आशुतोष जी. हिंदी में मैं भी जवाब दे रहा हूं. आपकी फितरत में ही कांपना है क्योंकि चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका होता है, उसमें हीरे जवाहरात नहीं होते. और ये सोच लेना और डरना आपकी फितरत में है. क्योंकि जो किया है अरुण जेटली जी ने, उसके बाद आपको सपने में भी जेल के दरवाजे दिख रहे होंगे.
सर जी, चोरी करे, जो भ्रष्टाचारी करे वो डरे. आप किसी और को डराइएगा, हम दूसरी मिट्टी के बने हुए हैं।
अरे भैया 2 करोड़ रुपए लेते हो फिक्टिशियस कंपनी से, उसके बाद आप ताले लगा लेते हो।
शर्म आनी चाहिए।
ऑपर्चुनिज्म की आप जिंदगी जी रहे हो और उसके बाद हमें दे रहे हो।
घूस लेते पकड़ा गया, शर्म आनी चाहिए।
दुनिया में जीते हो
दिलीप सिंह जूदेव,
याद रखना, उंगली एक उठाओगे तो 2 उंगली आपके ऊपर भी आती है,
करते हो, शर्म आनी चाहिए
ऊपर मुंह करके ना तो थूक आपके ऊपर ही गिरेगी। इसलिए आशुतोष जी जरा रुमाल रख लो, क्योंकि थूक आपके ऊपर गिर रही है।
सिद्धार्थ टुडे, और
हिंदी में कहीं कोशिश करोगे बात करने में तो उसमें भी आपको जवाब दूंगा मैं बहुत अच्छा। अंग्रेजी में आ जाओ, हिंदी में आ जाओ। सच्चाई के साथ खड़े होने वाला व्यक्ति सीना चौड़ा होकर जवाब देता है, और आज मैं सीना चौड़ा होकर जवाब दे रहा हूं।
वो कीर्ति आजाद बता रहा है,
पार्टी अपनी हरकतों से बाज आओ। दिस पिट एंड रन पॉलिटिक्स विल नॉट रन एनी मोर व्हेन बीजेपी इज टेकिंग ऑन आम आदमी पार्टी।
हाँ, वो कीर्ति आजाद से, कीर्ति आजाद को बोल दीजिएगा ये बात।
लग रहा है
कीर्ति आजाद को फोन कर दीजिएगा कि वो स्पिट एंड रन पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं। कीर्ति आजाद को जवाब देना। सिद्धार्थ मुझे मत जवाब दो, कीर्ति आजाद को जवाब दो आप।
चिंता मत करो,
सीनियर पार्टी
कीर्ति आजाद को अपना स्प्रिंग बोर्ड मत बनाओ।
नहीं, कीर्ति आजाद
राजेंद्र कुमार को बचाने के लिए, डाइवर्ट करने के लिए प्लीज डोंट मेक कीर्ति आजाद योर स्प्रिंग बोर्ड।
नहीं।
Unfortunately, he's becoming a pawn in your hand. Don't become. That's my advice to my friend. That you should be. That you should be. Thank God you have admitted on the news that you are scared, because only those who are guilty are scared. So you are guilty, therefore you are scared. Obviously, you are guilty. You have realized your fault. Therefore, you are shivering.
बहुत डर लग रहा है.
You have no merit.
बहुत डर लग रहा है
मुझे. You don't have any facts. You don't have any evidence, Mr. Ashutosh, and therefore you land in a channel and accept saying sorry, and you are guilty. You are shivering. You have nothing else to offer in your debate.
Yeah. बस सिद्धार्थ, अब तो पता नहीं कल घर से मैं निकल भी पाऊंगा नहीं निकल पाऊंगा। बहुत डर लग रहा है। प्लीज मुझे आप लोग बचा लो।
चलो कोई बात नहीं, आप मेरे घर आ जाओ।
Don't be so tense यार। You are such a nice person. Don't look so tense. You don't have to be too
tense, my dear. You're so rattled. I thought you were an intelligent fellow. You present well prepared.
Don't worry.
I thought I would have a debate, but you don't have any facts. That shows that you have become a master of falsehood. You are only speaking lies. You are spreading lies. This is where the problem has come. I'm so sorry, Mr. Ashutosh. You should have been well prepared to come and debate with me.
मुझे तो लग रहा है कि आप दोनों सीक्रेटली बहुत मजे ले रहे हैं इस डिबेट के, मगर मैं चाहूंगा दोनों आए और ऑन द मेरिट्स ऑफ द केस डिबेट हो जाए मेरिट्स ऑन द केस पर डिबेट, कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं हो, हर साइड 10 पॉइंट लेकर आए, आशुतोष और सिद्धार्थ के बीच में डिबेट हो,
I will come and prove him again wrong where he ran away on Gadkari's case where they apologized.
For joining me. I welcome you back again this week on a debate 1-to-1, Ashutosh and Siddharth. Till then, if you want to keep talking to each other, please pick up the phone and call each other. It seems you're enjoying this conversation. I'll see the viewers tomorrow at 9 p.m. Siddharth and Ashutosh, thanks very much. Thank you.